Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Dang, I'm just getting right into it. So, we are doing our hair today. I have this pretty highlighted wig from Geeta Hair, and this wig is 24 inches. She's pre-cut. This is a 6 by 4.5 body wave wig. I have mine in a cap size small, and it is 180% density. I've not had a wig highlighted like this before, so it's new to me. All these wigs these days are pre-cut, and I love that because I actually hate cutting the lace off. I hate actually doing any of the work. So if they take the bulk of the work, I love that. And I also love that they're making all these wigs beginner friendly because honestly, I don't know who has the time to like customize a wig these days. Do it for me, okay? Okay, and I'm just gonna style the hair super easy today. I'm gonna stick with like the waves of the hair. I really like how it looks, so I'm just gonna go over that. I'm using this really oversized deep waver, and I really love how soft this hair waves hair. So like the waves are soft, they're not super strong or deep. That's the word I'm looking for. It's not like deep waves. This is like really soft waves. So that's what we're doing. So just watch me curl my hair and I'm gonna come back when I'm done. So cute, right? So this is the finished look of the waves. The highlights are cute. So stinky cute. It's like a reddish, brownish, ashish brown. I don't know, but we are adding some hairspray to the lace so that it melts into our skin and our wig doesn't fly away. No, I'm just kidding. So I love that all the hair companies are including these elastic bands now because they really help. So if you're like trying to melt your lace, you definitely need one of the bands. And yeah, they're so convenient. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase these feels and every day. All I wanna hear is an ever since I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Make a wish away. Really, really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. And then I'm just taking some of my natural edges out and kind of slicking them because I I just can't do a wig without slicking my edges down. Like it just is not happening. So that's all I'm doing, and then I'll be done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. You guys, these grab and go, pick up and go pre-cut, pre-styled wigs are so easy to manage and super duper 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 beginner friendly if that's what you're looking for. And the color on this is real cute. So let me know what you think about it. I'll be sure to list all the Geeta's hair information in the description box for you guys. And I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.